Hello all, this is Sukhada Udyanandamule and I am presenting you brain tweezers. So, do you think you can solve it? Let's see. All of you know Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So, let us solve some problems using the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. First problem is calculate the pH of a mixture of 0.1 molar acetic acid and 0.2 molar sodium acetate. The pK of acetic acid is 4.76. pH is equal to pKa plus log of conjugate base divided by molar concentration of its weak acid. The second question is calculate the ratio of concentrations of acetate and acetic acid which are required in a buffer system of pH 5.3. The third question is calculate the pK of lactic acid given that when the concentration of lactic acid is 0.01 molar and concentration of lactate is 0.087 molar. The pH is 4.8. Now let's solve the problem. The first problem wherein we have to calculate the concentration of the pKa of lactic acid, which is given that when the concentration of lactic acid is 0.01 molar and the concentration of lactate is 0.087 molar and the pH of the solution is 4.8. Let us see how we are going to do. We all know from the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH is equal to pKa plus log of lactate divided by molar concentration of lactic acid. Therefore, the pKa is equal to pH minus log of molar concentration of lactate divided by molar concentration of lactic acid, which is equal to 4.8 minus log of 0.087 divided by 0.010, which is equal to 4.8 minus log of 8.7, and the answer is 4.8 minus 0.94. Final answer is 3.9. So the pKa of lactic acid is 3.9. Our second problem asks us to find out the pH of the mixture wherein the acetic acid molar concentration is 0.1 molar, sodium acetate's molar concentration is 0.2 molar, and the pK of acetic acid is 4.76. By substituting the values in the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH is equal to pK plus log molar concentration of acetate divided by molar concentration of acetic acid, we get 4.76 plus log of 0.2 divided by 0.1, which is equal to 4.76 divided by 0.3, and the answer is 5.1. So, the pH of the mixture is 5.1. Now, the third solution is as follows, wherein we need to find out the ratio of molar concentration of acetate to the molar concentration of acetic acid, which is required to buffer a system of pH 5.3. So, according to the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH is equal to pKa plus log molar concentration of acetate divided by molar concentration of acetic acid. So, log molar concentration of acetate divided by molar concentration of acetic acid is equal to pH minus pKa, which is equal to 5.3 minus 4.76, and which is equal to 0.54. So, we have to do anti-log of 0.54. Therefore, the molar concentration of acetate ratio to that of acetic acid is 3.5. The next question is the application of the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation or the concept of pKa. So here the problem is, how are you going to treat a poison ivy rash? So we know that the components of the poison ivy or poison oak tend to produce characteristic itchy rash, which are because of the presence of catechols, which are substituted with long chain alkyl groups present in the waxy coat of these plants And if you are exposed to these poison EV, which of the treatments below would you apply to the affected area? So let us justify our choice, and the choices are as follows. Before that, we need to know that the pK of the solution of uh, the catechols is 8. Therefore, the what we are going to do is, are we going to wash the area with cold water, or are we going to wash the area with dilute vinegar or lemon juice? Are we going to wash the area with soap and water, or are we going to wash the area with soap, water and baking soda? Now the answer to this solution is, since we know that the pK of the poison EV, that is the catechols which are there, is towards alkaline region, that is 8, therefore we are going to wash the area with dilute vinegar or lemon juice, which are acidic in nature, which are eventually going to do what? They are going to neutralize the alkaline poison EV, and hence this can serve as a best treatment of poison EV rash. Thank you. Hopefully you have enjoyed the session.